Again, we can write using dots as long as our learners have mastered the writing symbols. Are we together? Yes. What do I mean? I want a child to write number 1. We shall do like this. Write the 3, 1, 2, 3 dots. A standing stick and another standing stick. That is number 1. Number 2. We have that dot. We have this dot. And we also have this dot. A curve and a sweeping stick. Have you seen that? Number 3. A standing stick. So a dot, and a dot, 3 dots. Then you say a curve and a curve. So it has to be here. Curve and a curve. Because they have to be the same. Number 4. A dot, this dot, this dot, this dot, this dot, and this dot. A standing stick, a sleeping stick, and a standing stick. Has to be here. Have you seen that? Then number 5, you do like this. A dot, this dot, a dot here, and a dot here. A sleeping stick, like that. Another sleeping stick, and a curve. All together? Now, as long as you learners know how to use the writing symbols, they can write the numbers. Have you learned something? Yes. This is a standing stick and a standing stick. Number 2, it will be this. A curve and a sleeping stick. Number 3, dot. A curve and another curve. Number 4, dot. A standing stick, sleeping stick, and a. Number 5, dot. Start with this dot, a sleeping stick, a standing stick, and a curve, like that. Are we together? Yes. So those are our numbers. Are we together? Yes. As long as they know the writing symbols. Thank you.